Alright, so we had a loud noise coming out of this vehicle, and at first I thought it was a flange that was broken. I took the heat shield off, which is covering this, and I also removed a sensor that goes right here to be able to remove the heat sensor. Now, as you can see, there's a crack right here. And this is where the noise is coming from. We had an air leak. Now, I bought at Home Depot, or excuse me, at AutoZone, this Inferno metal repair. And this is a temporary fix to a you must replace this manifold. However, I am on a time restraint and I need to take a drive. So I'm going to fix this crack. Now the question is if it's cracked behind here. Unfortunately, I can't see back there, so I'm going to try to put this phone back there to see if we can see what we're looking at. And this way it makes me decide, do I invest and buy a manifold and remove everything, put new gaskets and do the job, or do I just do this small repair and in the next week or so, or when I get an opportunity and the right chance and time, do this properly. But let's see what we got back here. If it's cracked back there and I repair only the front, it's basically putting a band-aid on a broken bone, and it's not gonna work. It might make it a little bit less noisy, but honestly I don't believe that's gonna even do that. What I will do is push all the other air back into the crack that I didn't fix.